What up? What up? All right, y'all. We got UJ here. Top down analysis, monthly time frame. Let's go. All right. So where are we in the market? Right. Looking at the monthly time frame, where are we currently in structure? So you can definitely tell we're in an uptrend based off what I drew. But what led to this uptrend? So I marked off this high right here, which signifies a level of resistance. It's resistance here. Um, and then after it breaks, it turns into newfound support. So you want to mark this off, and you want to pretty much find those candles, the breakout candles, and I identify them as these ones right here, 1, 2, and you should see higher highs and higher lows on the lower time frame to confirm the break. Meaning, if you went to the week, maybe not the weekly, daily, H4, and lower time frames, you should see higher highs and higher lows, which signify an uptrend. All right. So what else is the monthly doing? Um, it's the middle of the month already. It's the middle of May already. It's crazy. All right. So it's middle of May. This current candle is pretty bullish. I mean, it's still a doji right now, which signifies indecision, but it's a little bit more on the bullish side. Um, if it closes bullish, we could see UJ going up. That's really all you can see. Um, let's go to the weekly time frame to see why we did bullish, bearish. Yeah, I think it's safe to say that it's no. So I still want to keep it at bullish, bearish, only because look, it's making. Matter of fact, I'm just gonna put it bearish, right? So it's bearish because the last relative low that was broken was right here with these candles. Obviously, on a higher time frame, we know that this is a test. But when it comes to this specific time frame that we're on now, it's still a break, you know? So technically, this is a break. Okay. Yep. So these candles right here, 1, 2, 3. If you want to do that one, you can. Why is it showing up? Oh, that's why. Okay, cool. So 1, 2, 3, and you should see lower highs and lower lows on the lower time frame to confirm that break, right? So regardless of the fact that we know it's a test on the monthly time frame, we should be aware of that. But um, on a weekly, it's still a break. So that means that this price came down, broke, came back up to test newfound resistance. Price came down, created a higher low, which signifies an uptrend. But until it breaks this lower high right here that it created, it's still in a downtrend, right? So if you want, you can mark it off. You know, you can mark that off right here. But that's just market structure. Until it breaks this lower high right here, it's still in a downtrend because this could legit test this level of resistance and go down, right? All right, cool. Let's go to the daily time frame. Daily time frame is very bullish. Um, yeah, it's just bullish. It's making higher highs and higher lows, right? So where are we in structure currently? Um, if you want, we can go back this far, or we can kind of stay right here. Regardless, it's still a bullish structure, right? So if you want to come right here, which is pretty much relative price, you find a lower high. Use that one. So I'm pretty sure on the lower time frame, this is a break, but let's just use this one. So 1, 2, clean break, right? And not only that, but it tests a new level of support. Test a new level of support, and it's continuing to make higher highs and higher lows. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. And this is a higher high, and that's a higher low, right? Clearly an uptrend. Um, I remember last week I lost a trade because I was waiting for price to go up. But instead, the price really wasn't ready. It came back down, hit my stop loss, which was fine. My bias was still the same, and I wasn't wrong in my analysis. I was just wrong as far as my entry. Not necessarily wrong. It triggered my entry, but price just wasn't ready. That's the thing about the market. When it's not ready, it's not ready. Sometimes you can legit keep your same bias and, just wait for another trigger to enter the market. So, and look, it's going up now. So, let's go to the H4 time frame. So daily, definitely bullish. All right, H4, bullish, bullish, right? Only thing to look out for when it comes to UJ right now is just DXY. DXY and UJ correlate very heavily. They move very similar. Um, I wouldn't use the correlation as a confluence, but I think awareness of it is very important. Um, but yeah, as you can see, H4 is making higher highs and higher lows, just like the daily. You know, it's just a lot more candlesticks. It's let me see. I have to mark it off, but you can actually see the formation patterns. See, make higher highs and higher lows, and then you can even draw a trend line if you wanted to. Probably better to draw it on the daily. But yeah, it's pretty clean right now. But just be careful when it comes to UJ right now. When it came to news and stuff, but trade it regularly, like your technicals, because you can't control news. The only thing I would say about news for me is I try to stay out of the market when it's like crazy heavy news. You just don't know which way it's gonna go. Sometimes it can help you, sometimes it can harm you, but I'd rather stay out of it. It's just too much, man. It does some weird stuff, and you can be completely correct in your analysis and get stopped out, or you don't want to be playing with that news, man. It's just too much. Normal market conditions, New York session, London session, Asian session, but the news events, use them to let you know which direction the market wants to go after the news is over. And then I think that's a good way to, look at it. But all right, y'all, UJ's over. So monthly time frame bullish, weekly bearish, daily bullish, H4 bullish. All right. I'll see y'all on the next video, probably EU. All right, y'all.